So I've just got a few tips to go over here. If you work a lot with Excel and Pandas and Python, um, I've got some samples here to show you kind of what I do, what I think about whenever I'm working on a pipeline. So what we've got here is 140 150 columns of just randomized data for us to work with. There's a few NAs scattered in here that we'll look at later, but what I've done is created a script that will let you pick any two of these, which we've got on our desktop. So it goes in, it does the processing, and then we can choose where it comes out, which will be our process report here. We'll go ahead and override it since it's already there. Now, if we look in here, a couple of very important things to notice. We've cut out all of the columns that weren't needed, so our customer only needed these 3 columns specifically. We've indexed them, which will help us later to identify any missing outcomes. We've also done some multiplication for a custom row, and we've booleaned the errors if any are missing. And we even have more detail here at the end about what exactly was missing. But the most important thing that I've learned is that you always want to attach a sheet that tells you specifically what went wrong. And this is a great way for you to show your customer, hey, something has gone wrong here, and you want to look into it further before using this report. So this here will just tell you which of the columns are missing. And you could also add something here about specifically how many, or you could even list off each row that has problems.